What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Wildhook Adventures. We are out here at Isleta Lakes. It's a little windy today, but it's nice and sunny. We're going to see if we can hook up on some catfish, make some catfish nuggets tonight, see if we can catch some bass, a little bit of everything. Just try it out, see what's biting. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the show. A little bit of chicken breast, cut it into nice chunks. Has a lot of membrane on it. Go. Nice little chunks. Sprinkle some Kool-Aid, cherry Kool-Aid. Mix them up. There you have it. A little bit of Kool-Aid with the chicken breast. Get a nice little chunk. Double hook it, just because I don't want it to fly off. And just get it out there. See what bites. I'm getting hit over here. Let's see if he's still on there. It's always when I'm distracted. Looks like he might still be on there, yeah? Oh! I missed him. I got stuck on my pole holder. The chicken is still on there. Put a fresh piece on. Hit it pretty good. I was distracted over here retying another pole. Let's see. Put a smaller piece of chicken. See if that'll do the trick. I missed him. Yeah. Put it right around the same spot. I got stuck on the pole holder when I went to set the hook. Okay. Let's put this little bell back on. This one's actually kind of stripped or something because it wasn't tightening. Okay, I just need to put it on the inner spot. Let's see. Oh, I'm already getting hit. Might be a little guy. Ah, he came off. Just gonna let him swallow it. Oh, he took a big chunk. I wonder if it's a turtle. Alright. Rebait, recast. My pole keeps getting hit, but nothing is hooking. Huh? There it goes. It's getting hit. Ay. Seems like he's on there now. Yep, he's on. I just had to let him keep biting. Nice head shakes on him. Ooh, he's a good keeper. He's not bad. There we go. Got our first channel here at Isleta using chicken breast and Kool-Aid. Nice. Perfect. Trying out this little tube jig on my crappie pole. I had to retie it, so I figured I might as well test it out while I'm out here. Cut down all these cattails over here, so there's nowhere for the bass to hide anymore. Fish on. Nice. Nice little largie on the little crappie tube jig. I was just messing around with it, seeing if anything would bite, and there you go. Nice little largie. Get bigger, buddy. Fish on. Oh, another little largie. This guy ate it backwards. I didn't need my hook back there, buddy. There we go. Nice little largie. Going back. Snag. Snag. Get over here. Oh, this is always underwater. I'm gonna throw this out for a little bit. Then I'm gonna switch to a bass lure. See if we can get some bass out of here. Caught one catfish, 2 small bass. Trying to get something bigger. Yeah, usually the water's super high up, all up on those rocks. Haha. There we go, got it out. I didn't think I was gonna cast it that far. Okay, I do need to cast farther than that though. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, another little largie. Nice. This one's bigger than the other ones, at least. Nice little largie. Get bigger, buddy. Fish on. No way. No way. Yes way. Yeah. I got a crappie, y'all. I got a crappie here at Isleta Lakes. Beautiful little crappie. He's a good pan size. He's going home. No way. Oh, you ain't getting away from me, buddy. I was just putting you down so I can do something right away. I don't have my stringer with me. I was just messing around. I knew they had crappies in here, but I had never caught one out of here. I've seen my truth catch one out of here. But nice. Beautiful. Good sized crappie. Heck yeah. Let's see if we can catch another one. There might be a little school of them around here. Fish on. Oh, another largie. Nice. Oh, he fell off. Hold on, little buddy. Trying to get you back in the water. Now you got yourself all dirty for the picture. Get bigger, buddy. There's something going on in here. There's some structure down there. Right there. Oh, that was sick. Oh, that was sick. I was getting ready to pull it out. I hope I got that on camera. The little guy came at it with the vengeance. Get bigger, buddy. Nice little largie. All right, you guys. It was a crazy windy day. Then it would calm down and get windy again. Then it'd get hot. But still had a lot of fun out here. Caught some small little largemouths and one nice sized cat. And caught a crappie. That was surprising. But thank you guys for watching. And